Shine TV, and I'm gonna cover Love Me For Me. The shortcut is LL4M. Of course, this is for my cousin Charlotte Soso, and follow him on Facebook, Princess Charlotte. Here it comes. And everything when you see me, my life ain't nothing but a light in my TV. I've got someone with more than all that. Hey, wake me up, hold me down, keep my headphones spinning in the clouds. They don't really care about the shiny fancy things. They know that they don't last. Send through your sunshine so bright. If you tell me, if you feel me, do you one time? You love, you love, you love, you love me for me. Maybe you got a mansion, jewelry, got money and stuff I didn't mention. You got someone worth more than all that. Hey, hey, like you just how you are, making love you when you're near, when you're far. I'm telling you to hold on, near and far. Now take decision now. And really sunshine so bright, got me by my side. Don't need to check out all the rest. When that's my words, so let my best. Know you love, you love, you love me for me. Yeah, yeah. Don't mind the fact my hair's a mess. So gentle in my body dress. You love, you love, you love, you love. Love me for me. One thing is certain, yeah. One thing is true. When I am hurting, I can count on you. But one thing, one love, one love. You don't ever have to doubt me, 'cause there's one thing for sure. Don't need to check out all the rest. When that's not worth the rest of this. Do you love, you love, you love me for me? Yeah. Don't mind the fact my hair's a mess. So gentle in my 40 best. You love, you love, you love, you love me for me. Everything at one time, do you one time? If you tell me, if you tell me, do you one time? You love, you love, you love, you love me for me. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and remember, follow me on Twitter at PSBPortia, and add me on my Facebook. My real Facebook is Portia Son Baya. That's all. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace around the world as I act.